Alright, I'm going to do the review and unboxing of the Pruveeo, which I'm guessing is how you pronounce it, dash cam. Now, mind you, I'm not a professional, I'm just a normal guy, and I get sick and tired of all these professional videos, so I figured I'd show real ones. And I got a little helper here. My nephew is going to help me out, so I'm just going to open this up. First thing, obviously, is the normal cards, you know. Next thing is the dash cam, so let's open that up. Notice it's pretty well. So this is the dash cam, and it's got the two cameras here. This top one actually pivots around, so I'm guessing that is the front facing, so you connect it. Right there's the connector. It's pretty obvious to tell. And the screen. Now, I'll tell you, the main reason I got this was it apparently has Wi-Fi. So that I'm pretty excited about. So I'm going to hand this to my... Oh, and you notice it's full HD. So I'm going to hand this to my technical assistant over here. Thank you. We're going to finish unboxing this. So the rest of the stuff it comes with, obviously it comes with a charger. And it is a mini USB, not a micro. It looks like about a 10-foot cable, give or take. This is the piece that goes on the glass. So you're going to put it like this. It comes with the 3M tape. Now look, this red 3M tape is really good stuff. I use this for a lot of other car applications. However, if you live in the South like I do, this is going to kind of melt in the summertime. So what I've actually done in the past is stick this up to the part right here. And then I've actually taken and put on this side is super glue. And super glue sticks really well, especially the Gorilla Glue stuff. But it comes off with just a scraper. And here is the user manual. And I haven't even read through this yet. I want to kind of thumb through it while I got you here. My assistant's doing pretty well over there. It does recommend a 32 gig micro SD card. Look guys, they're cheap. Don't get a cheap one. Get a good one. I've bought cheap ones before and they're just formatted wrong. Inserting it, formatting it. It does say it's got the wide angle, so I'm pretty anxious to see that. And let's see if it's got the instructions for the Wi-Fi. Okay, so that's really important, by the way. You want to make sure you set your plate on there for the vehicle you're driving. Make sure you set the date and timestamp, so I've had one of these before. All right, look at that. Right there it is. Default setting is off. Turn this feature on to temporarily enable Wi-Fi mode. Now, you ask yourself, why does it say just temporary? Well, you don't want Wi-Fi while you're driving down the street, so you turn that on and you can connect up to it. I'll give a full review on that at a later time, but that's it for now. Again, I will get the camera from my assistant. And again, here's the camera. You notice it has a plastic screen protector. Look, every time I get one of these, what I actually do is leave it on there or else just cut that little tab off. Look, it's a free screen protector. These are pretty self-explanatory, but I will hook it up and let you know.
So I just wanted to share something. You know, in this day and age, we have so many concerns about how the police are behaving, and they stop folks, particularly black folks and brown folks. You know, I was stopped recently by police in a way that was, I found, very frightening. And so I have a dash cam in my car. Just like police have a dash cam in their car, well, I've got one in my car. And this is my dash cam right here. And I got this dash cam on Amazon. And as you can see, I don't know how well you can see the screen, but this dash cam shows what's happening in front of my car. And also has a second camera that actually shows me in the driver's seat and is recording everything that I'm saying in the dash cam. So then that way, if police stop me, I have a video and audio recording of what they said during the stop. So just like police have a dash cam, I've got a dash cam. And then the other thing about, so the one trick with the dash cam is to make sure if you get one of these dash cams, that you connect it to a power point in your car, that the power point still operates after the car is shut off. Because a lot of times, you know, police, when they stop you, they'll tell you, you know, turn the engine on. So when you turn the engine off, you don't want the camera to go off. You want the camera to keep recording the entire incident. And this thing actually records for several days without having to change the memory card in it. And the other thing I do is I let people know, my friends know, that I have a dash cam in my car. So God forbid something were to actually happen to me with the police. If after whatever happened to me, if I'm not in a condition that I'm able to talk about it, if there's no dash cam found in my car, if there's no dash cam showing what happened, then you'll know the police did something to that too. So, but anyway, this is the dash cam that I have, and I would encourage people, all people, to put a dash cam in their car. Not only good for that, it's also good for, God forbid you should be in an accident and it's not your fault. You have actual video demonstrating what actually happened, what you were doing. It shows the road ahead of me, and it also shows me, like I said, shows me in the driver's seat and recording what I'm saying, and recording actually what's in the driver's seat and what's going on behind my head, in the car. So anyhow, think about that. These are difficult times, and we need to be smart, and we need to be prepared.
Back camera. Ooh, I think I found myself a cheerleader. Oh, 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 oh. Do, 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 da 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 da. All right, minute 41, that's good.